Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz. Today we are in Portmore. This is my city, this is where I'm from. Normally we have shows in Kingston, but today we're in Portmore and we're checking out Chewsdays Grill and Jerk. So stay tuned to see more.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz. We're so glad that you are joining us. We want to tell you thank you for subscribing, for sharing, for liking, for commenting.
Yes.
We really appreciate the love.
Yes.
So big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself, definitely. So last week we did some salsa dancing. So if you have not checked out that video, go ahead, check it out. We'll put a link in the description so you can click it and see how it's having some fun.
Yep,
Right.
definitely. So today's video, we went to Chewsdays.
Portmore.
Definitely, we went to Portmore. A lot of what we've been doing has been Kingston centered or Kingston based.
Right.
But this week we decided to skip over to St. Catherine and we went to Chewsdays. If you know Portmore, it's on the 20 route, what we would call the 20 route. The JUTC bus that you can get from the Halfway Tree Transport Center or downtown, it's number 20, so it's on that route. Or
it's Monza Daytona route or Pines route. So if you want to go to that direction, just tell the person that you're going to Pines or Daytona, or just to get an idea of where it is. So
so you will see the sign. It will be there up and front and close.
You can always Google Map it. Everything is on Google Maps. So
you can always
definitely
do that. So the opening hours, they open at 12. I don't remember when they close, but
I think it was 10 p.m.
So they open at 12, so lunchtime. So we went there for lunch today.
Right. So we had lunch, and I had the herb roast chicken with rice and peas and some vegetable, and Devon had barbecue fried chicken with mac and cheese and vegetable as well. And I can tell you that the food was fresh. It's made to order, and everything was really nice. The flavor of the herb chicken, I can tell you that is my first time trying it, so it was really good. And then big up to the chef. So the mac and cheese, I kind of dab my fork in her food to get a taste of it.
It was always stealing.
it was good, to tell you the truth. The mac and cheese was good, and the barbecue fry was good as well. It wasn't too sweet or sour. The flavor was, I think it was on point, so it was definitely good.
So my barbecue fry was pretty good, and it was very filling, because that's always my concern, if it's gonna fill my belly
full.
We also got a side of fries. We had wanted seasoned fries, but I think when they do things on the grill, that starts at 2 p.m. So if you want like wraps and things of that nature,
burger and stuff,
grill burger stuff like that, you have to come
at
after 2. So which is fine, but our food was really good and it was very reasonable as well. I think it was $5.50 for each of our food, and the fries was like $200, and it was a good serving of fries. So the price was definitely pretty good. What you say about the atmosphere?
The atmosphere was it's a outside setting. The chairs and tables were alright. It was stiff, no sponge or anything was on it, but you can cope with it. And they had like plastic chairs as well at certain points in the establishment where you can sit as well. But it's set up as like a friend, family, group setting, so you can always go out there as a group, or just chill with your family and friends.
Yeah, definitely. And just bear in mind that it's gonna be really hot. We came in 12 o'clock sun hot, so it was very hot. It was very hot in there, but they have fans, but it was still very hot, so just be cautious.
After a while you kind of get cooled down still, but as when you went and the fan wasn't on, it was kind of hot, but after a while it was cool.
It was very hot.
Portmore sometimes have a lot of breeze, so after a while you will feel the Portmore breeze.
No, I didn't feel any breeze. It was very hot. It's summertime. It's Jamaica.
Coming from the town.
It's Jamaica. It's very hot.
Kingstonian.
Anyway, whatever. And then the service was pretty good as well. We had a waiter, a gentleman came, he gave us the menus, took our orders. We kind of came there early, so we came there like after 11 or so we had to wait a little while until 12. Until 12 o'clock, and got our menus. The gentleman was very nice. The food was very filling. It was just a really good experience. It was really nice.
Again, obviously big up to the chef. We will put his name and description below. So if anything you want, a custom thing, you can link him up and get some work done, because trust me, the food was good.
Yeah, the food was really bomb, guys. And why is sometimes these things that people selling for $700, you don't fully belly and they don't taste good.
True.
This is really nice. If you can make the trip, come over. Or if you're there for Portmore already, want to check it out.
But still, come Portmore, big up Portmore, #Portmore, the place, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Take a break from Kingston and come across, isn't it? There's a lot to explore, so yeah.
Yeah, but it was really good though.
Right. So,
we want to thank you again for tuning in.
So we're not getting a little rating.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so the rating that we would give them for lunch.
What would you give them?
I would give them a 4, to be honest. It was really good. Apart from the heat, everything was on point.
Yeah, I'll definitely give them a 4 as well, in terms of just overall everything, food, atmosphere, and the service as well. So it was good.
Overall, it was a pretty good experience.
Definitely.
No lie. Food shell.
So guys, we want to thank you so much for tuning into another episode of what?
YaadMentz.
And we are so grateful that you continue to like our videos, share it, watch it, and just be a part of our experience. Again, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at
YaadMentz.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, watch our other videos. We have a playlist put together for you guys, so
Season
you can
1.
just check it out.
Yep.
And we thank you again so much. We will see you in our next video. Take care of yourselves. Remember to leave those suggestions down below as well. We'll be doing some of those in the coming weeks and months.
Yeah.
So check it out.
YaadMentz.
We'll see you next time.
YaadMentz.